Respected parents and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to Paradise Official YouTube channel. We will discuss about prep class English learning with syllables. Today our topic is words making with E. आज हम आपको E से बनने वाले words सिखाएंगे. Now let's start our video. Students, what is this? E. What is this? E. Do you know what is sound of E? Students, the sound of E is A. E is A. For example, E a elephant, E a egg. Okay, students. When we will join two letters E and N. Students, now we will join two letters E and N. जब हम इन दोनों लेटर्स को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो वर्ड बनेगा N. E A N N. Now we read N words. Okay, students. F E N fan. F E N fan. P E N pen. T E N ten. M E N man. Y E N jan. D E N den. Okay, students. These are. Okay, students. पहले हमने E N को ज्वाइन किया था. Now we join E T. What is sound of E? A. E A T T. E T at. We read at. Now we read at words with syllables. Peep E T at. P at pet. B E T bed. W E T at. W at vet. L E T at. L at let. S E T at. S at set. J E T at. J at jet. Okay, we read at words. But students, आपको पता है ना? Do you know what is sound of E? A. D D. E D ed. Now we read add words with syllables. R E D add add red. B E D add add bed. L E D add add led. W E D add add bed. P E D add pet. F E D add fed. Now, okay, students. Now we read E G. The word, when we join E G, the word become is egg. E A G G egg. E A G G egg. Okay, students. Now we read these words with syllables. D R D E G egg. D egg drag. R E G egg rag. L E G egg leg. B E G egg bag. M E G egg meg. P E G egg peg. Okay, students. We read these words with syllables. D R D E G egg. D egg drag. R E G egg. R egg rag. L E G egg. L egg leg. B E G egg. B egg bag. M E G egg. M egg meg. P E G egg. P egg peg. Okay, students. Now we read E L double L L. E double L L. These learn L words with syllables. B E double L L. B L bell. T E double L T L tell. S E double L S L cell. F E double L F L fell. C. Okay, students, do you know what is sound of C? C की two sounds हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो C की sound है वो सा है. Okay, C स E double L L सा L cell. W E double L L V L well. Okay, students, when we join E and N T, the word become is ant. Okay, now start. and words with syllables T, T, E, and T, and T and tent, S, E, and T, and S, and sent, D, D, E, and T, and D, and dent, T, T, E, and T, and T, and tent, C, S, E, and T, and S, and sent, T, T, E, and T, and T, and L, E, and T, and L, and length. Friends, may this video is helpful for you. Please must learn all the lesson according to syllabus, and for our appreciation please like, share our video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.